I'm your friend, okay? Remember me? I'm Nancy. I'm not going to do any cooking, but I'm going to introduce you to some essential, dried, healthy Chinese ingredient. Okay, what you all know, this is dried, we say dried tea, T-E-A, tea striped mushroom. I'm also learning. All I know that this is Chinese mushroom. Ever since a little girl, my mom would say, "Dong gu." Dong gu is a Chinese Cantonese word. Say dong gu is mushroom. But in Bahasa Malaysia, dong gu means like the royal family, you know. So it's the same sound, different spelling. So I will call it Chinese mushroom, or Japanese say shiitake mushroom, maybe slightly different. This one is tea stripe. Have a look. Tea stripe. Look. Tea stripe mushroom. Okay. So if you want to use this mushroom, what you have to do is I would wash it in water, soak it. My mom always taught me to wash it in salt water, salt it and wash it, and then drain the water away. Then it will plump up. But I'm not going to use this today. I'm just going to do two ingredients, which is dried lily. We call it D-A-Y. Dried daylily flower. All I know was dried lily flowers. See, always something new. Even when you're 100 years old, you will be learning something new. And here is dried black fungus. Black fungus. Okay, I'll show you how it looks like when it's dried. It looks like this, like that. Very healthy mushroom to eat all this. And I washed again and soak it in water until it plumps up like that. See how big it's grown? And you will see the stumpy end. I will always have to cut off the stumpy bit of such mushroom. You don't cook that. Throw that away. Then because these are big pieces, you can tear them apart. These are nice cute pieces for stir fry. But sometimes you want to put in dim sum, you can buy the ready strip one. So if you have this and you don't have the dried one, it's easy. You can just finely chop them up or cut them into strip and use it in your dim sum, in your dumpling. Okay, this is how you do it. Chop it. And I want to show you the lily flowers. You can't use them when it's dry. It's very tough. You soak it until they are soft like that. Then this one don't seem to have. Yeah, this one here have got a very hard stumpy end. You have to pluck that away. Or what I used to do when I was young is I gather them all together into a bunch like that, and then cut them off. You know, cut them off. So before you cut off, my mom always told me, soak this and then tie them in the middle into a knot. Normally you tie them when they are dry. Okay, since I don't have any more dry ones, I'll show you. You tie a knot when they are dry, and then you soak. As you dry, you can just pluck that off as well. So when you soak, now the reason why do they tie this up? Look at the inside. It will expose you. This is a bud, a lily bud. So you see the flower inside, the stamen. Ooh, it's full of nutrients, you know. Very beautiful, very healthy lily buds. And the reason why you tie, I forgot to tell you the reason why I tie. You'll be wondering what is she mumbling about. Because when you cook this in the soup, this will all soften and they will all open up. You know, they'll all open up. So that's why you tie. But these days we don't care, you know. Modern days nobody tie up. During my time, we have to do all this. And when you offer food to the altar and in the temple to the priest, you have to do that. It's a dedication. And it's good. It's good to do. It's therapeutic, you know. There's no TV show. There's no smartphone, WhatsApp. Oh my God. We have so much time to dedicate to the food that we have. So remember, say, stumpy end, just cut that off. You don't want to eat the stumpy end. And cut them to as small bits as you like. And to use this one, you basically use oil, ginger, garlic, and you do a stir fry. And you can add vegetable, or you can use fermented soya bean. These are all this Chinese type of way of cooking. You can even boil it in the soup. I said, if you can boil water, I can teach you how to cook. So you can boil this in water, put some of your favorite vegetable seasoning. Voila, it's ready. Throw in some greens. So easy, isn't it? Thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my cooking video. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for your support.